Good morning, friends! I have 16 days until my fashion show. It's time to get to it. Today, I want to work on something light and fun, and so the Tinkerbell cape is perfect for that. What I'm currently working on is just sewing the lace around the hood to give it some cute detail. Kind of looks like a lettuce leaf right now, but I'm into that. Why eat your veggies when you can wear them? I'm gonna sew this lace on and then add a bottom lace. Let's do this. That was short-lived. Something is wrong with my machine. 25 minutes later, where it should have taken me 10 minutes, I am now finished sewing the lace on the hood. The problem, child, was the bobbin. I didn't properly wind my bobbin, and so that is what was causing the loose stitches on the bottom. It's always the bobbin. If you own a sewing machine, 9 out of 10 times, it's usually the bobbin's fault. But now we gotta move on. Oh my gosh. So the next problem with this cape is that I somehow made this side way shorter than this one. So now I'm just going to give it a little serge so you won't notice. And I'm gonna add lace all along the bottom to cover it all up. Oh my goodness. This is too stinking cute! Literally each cape that I design, I just put a soul into it so that they have their own personality when they come to life. Oh. Adding lace was a problem because now I want to add it to every single cape, but it just adds so much time to them. So we'll see. This one's super special for the time being. Oh my goodness. I can't get over it. Also, look at this cutest little creature. I got her on my trip to Toronto. There was an artist there that was making them, and she customized the scissors for me because I'm a sewer and I have the exact scissors. Little scissors on the leg. I think that she is me in robot form, and I love her. What do you guys think? Should I have this ribbon? I suddenly don't know how to tie a ribbon. Oh my goodness. But it adds so much. That's pretty cute. Would you agree? So delicate and it's the right shade. This might win. Or have a fancy little clasp. We shall see. But I think it's time to move on to the next project. This cape only has to be hand sewn. I'm just gonna quickly do that because it's literally like a 10-minute project and then I'll be done. But there's resistance to it. how this one turns out. I was experimenting with new clasps. It's hard to find big clasps that I like, and so I've been trying out a few different options. I don't mind these. You definitely need two to get the full effect, but they're good for right now. This is my favorite part, is finishing a cape and then putting it on. Now it's time to choose another project. I'm just whipping them out so fast. On a roll. It goes on the done rack. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 capes, 1 skirt, and 2 bags for the fashion show. I would like to have 11 more things, so I have 20 things. Doesn't feel like a lot, but when you make them with your own hands, it is a lot. Next project is this skirt. Well, it's actually a tablecloth, but I think it's gonna look really cute as a skirt, and I'm afraid that it's gonna be so cute that I'm gonna wanna keep it because it has ruffles and it's pink, which is my favorite color, and it goes with this top. Heck, this might be a me project. All I'm doing is literally folding it in half and then folding it in half again. And it's a circle tablecloth, so it's gonna look like this. The waist will be where the tip is. I'm trying this new thing where I take the measurement, so my waist is 30 and I want it at least 10 inches more than my waist. And I'm just going to fold the measurement tape in half again, and then wherever it lines up, I'm gonna mark it down, cut it. Just gonna widen it. This is what it looks like cut. It's pretty wide, and that's what we want. I'm just gonna now serge the edges. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to fold it inside about 1 inch so that there is a little gap so that I can fit my elastic through it. To put the elastic through this entire skirt. It was a long time. Now that I have closed the hole to the tube that the elastic is in, I'm going to just make all the scrunches even around the waist, being careful not to twist my elastic. And there you have it! A cute little skirt for spring and summer. That took me 20 minutes from cutting to sewing and elasticking. Cute! I'm gonna take a little break and then probably get into my next project.